First and foremost, I just want to give a big thank you to all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel and getting me to where I am today. It's been a long journey, but we've finally gotten there. And now what is the smartphone that I will be giving away today? Well, it is none other than Nubia's Red Magic 5G with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processing chip in it. Some information regarding the giveaway: I will be doing 5 questions about TechNick, which is me, 5 questions about Red Magic, the phone company. The first person to answer all 10 questions correctly in the comment section wins, and make sure to number your answers. Comments that are edited will be disqualified. If you have changes, you need to then re-comment and jump back into the queue. Only one person will be given a phone today. I will be doing more giveaways in the future, so stay tuned for those. This is TechNick, and without further ado, let's go. We're going to start here with 5 questions about me, TechNick, my channel specifically. Question number 1. What was the exact date my channel, TechNick, reached 100,000 subscribers? The tip here is to use that format of the year, month, and date. Question number 2. What is the name of my home country? The tip for this one is using an About tab in a social media application, which I will let you guys figure out all by yourself. Question number 3. How many videos have I posted on YouTube, including this video? Tip: use the search bar in an application. I'm pretty sure you can figure out yourself. Question number 4. What is the exact title name of my very first video posted on YouTube? A tip for this one is using a filter on a specific social media app. I'm sure you can figure that one out. Question number 5. What was the introduction used in my most popular video on YouTube? The tip for this is it's around the first 19 words used in that video. Make sure to type out all of those words. Now the next 5 questions are going to be all about Red Magic as a company. Question number 6. What is the Red Magic 5S tagline? Tip for this: it was retweeted. I'm not sure whose Twitter accounts, but once again, I'm sure you guys can figure that one out. Question number 7. How many Red Magic devices are there globally? The tips for this: make sure to include the new upcoming Red Magic 5S and exclude the Red Magic 5G Lite. Question number 8. What is the first Red Magic phone to include a built-in fan? No tips for this one. I'm pretty sure you guys will know the answer to question number 8. Question number 9. What is the name of the color of the global Red Magic 3S 12GB of RAM variant? I've left the URL over there. I'll put the link in the comment section as well as a tip. You're going to have to try and navigate through the page to get that answer. And finally, question number 10. Who is the current president of Nubia, since Nubia owns Red Magic? No tips for this one. Once again, I'm sure you guys are smart enough to figure that one out all on your lonesome. Guys, this has been an awesome little challenge to get out there. Make sure that you drop your comment down below with all the answers that you think are correct. The first person to answer all 10 questions 100% perfectly will receive the Red Magic 5G. I want to give a big thank you to the team at Red Magic for making this possible. This is TechNick, and I'll see you in the next one.